number 25, 2 or nothing. In this piece, we have the note F sharp, which is second finger on the D string. This is your D string. Second finger is on the second tape of your violin, like right here. And then you're going to play open D in the second bar. Third bar, you have 2 F sharp quarter notes, followed by 2 D quarter notes, and then you end with 3 F sharp quarter notes. So let's get ourselves prepared. Make sure your posture is straight. Bring your violin up. Most importantly, your thumb position is always across from the first tape on your violin. It's going to be placed on the side of the neck right here, pointing up toward the ceiling. Make sure you have a space. I'm going to first put my first finger down on my first tape, which is closest to the violin scroll, then put my second finger for the F sharp. And you can keep your third finger and fourth finger just hovering slightly above the string. Get your bow hold ready and put it on the D string. Here we go. After 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, open D, lift all your fingers. Rest, 2 F sharps.